Welcome to Neanderthal Sciences, a journey into the world of our distant relatives, the Neanderthals. These ancient humans, now extinct, once roamed the Earth, leaving behind a trail of mysteries for us to unravel. Today, we embark on a captivating exploration to understand these fascinating beings, their lives, their struggles, and their ultimate fate. Join me as we delve into the depths of time, piecing together the story of the Neanderthals. The Neanderthals, a group of archaic humans, have captivated our imaginations for centuries. They were not a single monolithic entity, but rather a diverse group spread across Europe and parts of Asia. Among them, Homo neanderthalensis stands out, a species remarkably similar to us, Homo sapiens. Picture, if you will, a people built for the cold, their bodies stocky and robust, their faces defined by prominent brow ridges. They shared our world for a time, their existence intertwined with our own. Homo neanderthalensis, however, stands out for its remarkable adaptations to the harsh Ice Age environments they inhabited. Their sturdy physique and remarkable strength, evident in their denser bones and larger muscle attachments, tell a story of resilience and adaptability. Their cranial capacity, often larger than our own, hints at complex cognitive abilities. These were not simple brutes, but intelligent beings capable of crafting tools, hunting large game, and perhaps even expressing themselves through art and symbolism. The world inhabited by the Neanderthals was a crucible, a landscape forged by the relentless advance and retreat of glaciers. Imagine a Europe and Asia locked in a deep freeze, where survival depended on overcoming the challenges of a harsh and unforgiving climate. In this challenging environment, the Neanderthals thrived, their resourcefulness and adaptability key to their survival. Central to their existence were their tools. They crafted hand axes and scrapers fashioned from stone with remarkable skill, each tool a testament to their ingenuity. The discovery of fire, a pivotal moment in human evolution, offered the Neanderthals not just warmth, but a powerful tool for survival. Fire provided warmth, a means to cook food, and protection from predators, fundamentally changing the way they lived. They hunted large game, their strength and intelligence evident in the remains of woolly mammoths and rhinoceroses found in association with their tools. Their ability to adapt extended to their shelters, seeking refuge in caves and constructing simple shelters in open landscapes. The Neanderthals, though separated from us by time, were more than just solitary figures eking out an existence. They were social creatures, their lives interwoven with complex relationships, shared experiences, and perhaps even spiritual beliefs. Evidence from the burial sites paints a poignant picture of their social bonds. Imagine a group of Neanderthals gathered in mourning, carefully laying to rest the body of a loved one. The deliberate placement of the deceased, often in a flexed position, sometimes accompanied by tools, flowers, or animal bones, speaks to a deeper understanding of life and death. These burial rituals, found across Neanderthal sites, offer a glimpse into their world, hinting at spiritual beliefs and a reverence for the deceased. Evidence of shared care for the sick and injured, evident in healed fractures and individuals surviving debilitating injuries, speaks of compassion and altruism. The cooperative nature of Neanderthal hunting strategies, often targeting large and dangerous prey, highlights their social organization and communication skills. Chapter 4. Neanderthals in art. The Neanderthals, often depicted as crude and brutish, possessed a spark of creativity, a capacity for symbolic thought that manifested in their interactions with the world around them. Evidence, though fragmentary, suggests that they, like us, felt the urge to express themselves through art, leaving behind tantalizing glimpses into their inner world. Deep within the caves of Europe, hidden away for millennia, lie testaments to this artistic spirit. Hand stencils found in caves across Europe offer a poignant connection to these ancient artists. We see the outline of their hands pressed against the cave wall, their creators long gone, yet their presence lingers in these ghostly imprints. The use of ochre, a natural pigment, to adorn tools and perhaps even their bodies suggests an aesthetic sensibility, a desire to embellish and personalize their world. While the debate surrounding the extent of Neanderthal art continues, the evidence we have unearthed challenges our preconceptions. Chapter 5. Languages and Communication. The ability to communicate, to share thoughts and ideas, lies at the heart of what it means to be human. The Neanderthals, though physically different from us, possessed complex brains and social structures, suggesting that they too had developed sophisticated methods of communication. While we can't travel back in time to hear their voices, we can piece together clues from their anatomy, their genes, and their behavior to understand how they might have interacted with each other. Their hyoid bone, a delicate bone in the throat, is strikingly similar to our own, suggesting they possessed the physical capacity for speech. The discovery of the FOXP2 gene in Neanderthal DNA, a gene linked to language development in modern humans, further strengthens the case for their linguistic abilities. Their language, perhaps a combination of vocalizations and gestures and facial expressions, would have been key to coordinating hunts, sharing knowledge, and strengthening social bonds. The complexity of their tools and hunting strategies suggests a level of communication that went beyond simple commands. Chapter 6: Biological and Physiological Differences. The Neanderthals, though closely related to us, possessed distinct physical characteristics that set them apart from modern humans. Their bodies, shaped by the relentless pressures of natural selection, tell a fascinating story of adaptation and evolution. Neanderthals were stockier and more robust than Homo sapiens, with shorter limbs and a barrel-shaped chest. This compact build, combined with their powerful muscles, was perfectly suited for conserving heat in the cold climates they inhabited. Their skulls also differed significantly from our own. Neanderthals possessed a prominent brow ridge, a double-arched structure above the eyes, and a receding chin. Their brains, though comparable in size to our own, had a slightly different shape. Neanderthal brains were elongated, with a larger occipital lobe at the back, responsible for processing visual information. Their nasal passages were wider than ours, a feature thought to be an adaptation for warming and humidifying cold, dry air. Chapter 7: Scientific Challenges and Evolutionary Conflicts. The story of the Neanderthals is not just one of adaptation and survival, but also of interaction, both with their environment and with other hominid species, including our own ancestors. The arrival of Homo sapiens in Europe, where Neanderthals had long been established, marked a turning point in their history, one that ultimately led to their demise. Evidence suggests periods of coexistence and potential interbreeding, as traces of Neanderthal DNA persist in the genomes of modern humans of non-African descent. This genetic exchange suggests that our ancestors did not simply replace the Neanderthals, but that there was a degree of intermingling, a blurring of the lines between these closely related groups. The reasons for the eventual disappearance of the Neanderthals are complex and multifaceted, likely a combination of factors rather than a single cause. Climate change, with its associated shifts in plant and animal life, may have played a role, as Neanderthals, adapted to specific environments, struggled to adapt to a rapidly changing world. Competition for resources with Homo sapiens, who may have possessed technological or social advantages, could have further pressured Neanderthal populations. The extinction of the Neanderthals, while a significant event in human history, should not be viewed as a simple case of replacement. Chapter 8: Neanderthals today, how do we see them? The Neanderthals, though long gone, are not forgotten. Their legacy lives on, not just in their bones and artifacts, but in our very DNA. Modern research techniques, particularly in the fields of genetics and paleontology, have revolutionized our understanding of these ancient humans, painting a clearer picture of their lives, their capabilities, and their relationship to us. The ability to extract and analyze ancient DNA has been nothing short of revolutionary. Through this, we have learned that Neanderthals interbred with Homo sapiens, leaving behind traces of their genetic heritage in modern human populations. The study of Neanderthal bones and teeth continues to yield valuable insights into their diet, health, and lifestyles. New discoveries, such as the recent finding of Neanderthal footprints in Gibraltar, continue to reshape our understanding of their geographical range and behavior. The Neanderthals, once viewed as primitive and brutish, are now recognized as complex and intelligent humans who successfully adapted to a wide range of environments. Adoutre the enduring legacy of the Neanderthals. As we conclude our journey into the world of Neanderthal sciences, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the complexity of human evolution. The Neanderthals, far from being extinct relics, have left an indelible mark on our world and within our very genes. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Neanderthal sciences. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the history of human evolution.